Okay, good morning guys. Thursday morning, day 4. Starting off by going to the same bakery we had lunch at yesterday to go have a little bit of breakfast. And then after that we are meeting our tour guide and heading off to the Everglades for an Everglades tour. Hoping to see some alligators and crocodiles and all kinds of other interesting stuff. So we will catch up with you guys later on the tour. Okay guys, here we are on the big ass bus heading off to the Everglades tour. Bus seats about 60 people and we've got about 15. So I'm okay with that. Really easy to get away from people this way. So yeah, we'll see you in the Everglades. Alright guys, hope you can hear me, but just finished the tour and the show. It was pretty fun. The boat Everglades ride tour thing was funner than the show itself, because the show, it was hotter than balls sitting there watching that. But on the boat was nice because they you know, whisk you around and all that shit. So that was fun. Got to see some cool gators, and hopefully got some good video of that for you. So yeah, probably in a cooler climate it would be a little bit funner, but yeah, a good time here at the Everglades Holiday Park. Okay guys, we are back at our favorite place, Havana, 1957. Happy hour drinks today. Once again, Simone's got a mango mojito.
Yep.
All right, and I've got a pina colada, which we haven't tried yet. So today's the day to try that. They're starting to recognize us when we get here now, which is kind of funny. Haven't learned our names yet, but still, they're working on that still. Ordered some dinner now. Simone's got the wings with a cilantro lime dipping sauce.
Happy hour wings. Happy
hour wings, yep. And I've obviously got French fries here. And then we've got a Cuban burger, which is literally everything that's on a Cuban plus hamburger, obviously. So this ought to be delicious.
Andy's going in for the meat.
Wow, this is huge.
My man loves the meat, you know.
All right, this is enormous.
That's what she said. Got this.
Perfectly juicy. Wow. Yep. Excellent and messy. Yum. Okay, good morning, good timers. So we didn't actually do a day 3 or day 4 wrap up yesterday, but yesterday we went to the Everglades and took a boat tour there. The tour itself was really cool. The bus ride over was not really very organized, unfortunately, but we made it. And yeah, I would certainly suggest, if you go to the Everglades Holiday Park, it was called, that you probably just take a Uber there if you're nearby, or you just rent a car and go drive it yourself, because the bus part of it wasn't very organized, wasn't really very socially distanced very well, etc., etc. But the tour itself was fun. We did see some alligators, which was cool. And other than that, we didn't do much yesterday. Obviously ate some food, took a walk along the beach at night. Simone took over the camera and got some good shots for everybody. Probably just let her do that again. And yeah, so today we're just gonna hang out near the beach here. It's pretty windy today, so shouldn't be too crowded. Talk to you guys later. All right, guys, these waves are what we're up against today. They don't look so bad right now, but every once in a while they creep up on you. Got yellow flags out today at the lifeguard station behind Simone over there, who's dodging waves and seaweed. Things we'll do to stay cool. Here comes a good... Oh boy. Okay guys, we are off to a place called Charlotte's Bakery for lunch. It's an Argentine places that specializes in empanadas and all kinds of other Venezuelan Argentine food, so should be coming up on here any minute now. Just spent the last 3 hours at the beach and got ourselves a little tan slash burn there, so time for some lunch. Okay guys, and here it is, and we got the place all to ourselves. Perfect. All right guys, and we have chosen a chicken empanada, a spinach and ricotta empanada, and a beef empanada. So there's an Argentine one in there, a Venezuelan one in there, and I don't remember the third one, sorry. But they all looked good.
Yeah, these two I think were Venezuelan and that's Argentine.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know.
And then of course we got our choices of desserts for afterwards, possibly, depending on how full we are still.
I think we could crack into one.
Yeah, we can probably fit one in, I'm sure. And Simone's just waiting on some kind of coffee concoction that she came up with. All right, dessert time, guys. And the struggle is real. I think we're gonna try to find 2. I thought we were getting 2, yeah. That way we can share and see what we like the best. What do I want? Which thing? Okay. All right. I want that peanut butter looking thing. Yeah, the little mini one. I don't see a bigger one. Well, actually, there's a bigger one over here. Yeah, I want whatever those are. One of those. All right, guys. So mine is actually caramel filled.
Yeah.
And it's hard and crunchy.
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie. And Simone's is, what is yours?
Okay. Chocolate.
Caramel filled, but with chocolate. So there we go. Very good meal here at Charlotte's Bakery. All right, guys, we are now heading to the World Erotic Museum. Not sure if I'm going to be able to film in there. I'm going to guess probably not. But hey, if I am able to film in there, then guess what? You guys see titties. Oh, no, sorry. You guys will see classic artwork. Okay guys, we decided to have lunch at a different Cuban place tonight called Marino's. Hopefully it's open. The hostess stand is filled up with trees, so we'll find somebody here in a minute, hopefully. Definitely got the place all to ourselves. It's very highly rated on Yelp, so. All right, I guess we just have to find somebody. Well, if it's open. Oh, here's somebody right here. All right, we got somebody coming up. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with a sangria tonight. I'm not actually sure what Simone ordered. She did order a drink, right?
Some guava something.
Some guava something? Okay.
I don't know.
Should be arriving soon, so.
Something.
So for all of you, or any of you I should say, that are familiar with Latin music, this place is actually owned by Jorge, I think is how you pronounce it, Marino, which is a Latin Grammy Award winner. So, I don't know if he's here tonight, and if he is, I won't recognize him anyway, so. But if you're familiar with Latin music, apparently he's a really good Latin music kind of guy. Maybe him even singing in the background. I don't know. I may get copyrighted for this for all I know. We'll see. All right, guys, here is Simone's guava something that we can't remember the name of.
It's good.
And it's good. It tastes like guava something.
Something.
All right, guys, for my meal, I ordered the imperial rice, which is obviously rice, between layers of shredded chicken, mayonnaise, and actually mozzarella cheese. Sounds pretty funky, so we're gonna give it a try. Then for Simone's, she ordered guava and pulled chicken barbecue guava tortillas.
Yeah.
With some other stuff in them, but
They're like tacos.
yeah, like tacos. There you go.
Tacos.
All right. Dig into this now. Very good. Rice is nice and tender. Mayonnaise adds that nice little creaminess. And the shredded chicken is marinated in something that I'm not sure what, but it's good. Very different, very good. As for dessert, we've got an arroz con leche, which is cold rice with condensed milk and cinnamon. Simple, but pretty delicious.
I feel like a rice pudding.
Okay guys, that was Marino's. It's a little hard to find, but it was worth it. Very good rice dish that I had. And Simone's tacos were pretty good as well. Dessert was very good. So yeah, I would definitely recommend searching it out. It's off from Collins Ave on 19th Street, basically. Okay guys, that ends day 4 today, Friday night. And so we, what did we do today? We went to the beach in the morning, had a little pizza for breakfast, leftover pizza. Then went to the beach in the morning, and then we had some lunch over at the Argentine Charlotte's Bakery, that's what it was called. And had some empanadas, which were very good, and some dessert, which was, it was all right. It was dessert. And yeah.
And pastry, but there were some language barriers.
Yes, there were some language barriers, as has been the case most of the week so far.
I didn't know it was a cookie.
And then this afternoon we didn't do much. We just kind of hang out in the room like we've been doing and stayed cool.
We went to a museum.
Oh shit, that's right. Yeah, we went to the museum. Never mind, we went to the Erotic Art Museum, which was interesting. Those Japanese people, they are kinky people. Japanese. Woo. Anyway, so yeah, then we relaxed in the room after that. And then tonight we went to Merino, Cuba it's called. So a different Cuban place other than Havana, and it was very good as well. Had some crazy rice dish, which was excellent, called imperial rice. And then
we liked it because it had hot mayonnaise.
Because it had hot mayonnaise, damn right. And then tonight we just walked back on the beach and took in all the sights, enjoyed the sunset, and yeah, that wraps up today. So tomorrow we've got a boat tour of Miami planned, and that's about it for tomorrow. So we'll take you guys along then. See ya.